5 superfoods for healing kidneys and stopping proteinuria. Kidneys play a vital role in maintaining overall health by filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood. However, various factors such as poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can impair kidney function, leading to complications like proteinuria, the presence of excess protein in the urine. Fortunately, incorporating specific superfoods into your diet can promote kidney health and help prevent or manage proteinuria. In this video, we'll explore 5 superfoods renowned for their healing properties for the kidneys and their effectiveness in stopping proteinuria. 1. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support kidney health. These small fruits are rich in flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which possess anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Additionally, berries are low in potassium, making them suitable for individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium intake. Studies have shown that consuming berries regularly can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against oxidative stress, thereby preventing damage to kidney tissues. Moreover, the high fiber content in berries supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for individuals with kidney disease or proteinuria. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that offer numerous health benefits, including promoting kidney function. These greens are rich in vitamins C and K, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium. Moreover, they are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them suitable for a kidney-friendly diet. The abundance of antioxidants in leafy greens helps combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to kidney damage and proteinuria. Furthermore, the high water content in these vegetables promotes hydration, which is essential for maintaining proper kidney function and flushing out toxins from the body. 3. Fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, trout, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and are beneficial for kidney health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys, thereby protecting against kidney disease progression and proteinuria. Moreover, fish is a lean source of protein, making it an ideal alternative to red meat for individuals with kidney issues. Unlike red meat, which can increase the burden on the kidneys due to its high protein and phosphorus content, fish provides high-quality protein without overloading the kidneys. 4. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its medicinal properties, including its ability to support kidney health. This flavorful bulb is rich in sulfur compounds like allicin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Furthermore, garlic possesses antimicrobial properties and may help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can exacerbate kidney problems and lead to proteinuria. Incorporating garlic into your diet, whether raw or cooked, can provide numerous health benefits for your kidneys and overall well-being. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against various kidney diseases, including proteinuria. Additionally, turmeric has been found to improve kidney function by enhancing blood flow to the kidneys and supporting the elimination of toxins from the body. Consuming turmeric regularly, either as a spice in cooking or as a supplement, may help prevent kidney damage and reduce the risk of proteinuria.